Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on usenzo meyiwa, although the court proceedings ziqale late after ke kwakulindo uStain ukuthi aze from the airport. He had already arrived before 10, but wayifikela late uStain, ungazi ukuthi wayengabuya ngezobusuku uStain. For example, yazi ukuthi sisemsebenzini la. You know, as it is now, samsola ngokuqamba amanga. And then, guys, we were not even that far. Ubaloyi, when he was just explaining, okay, uStain did come with that affidavit that Mngomezulu had asked for. It's a new, almost like a new evidence, but it's fine. I mean, Mngomezulu had asked for it. How? And then, no, I don't want you guys to feel ngendlela ethizeni, but umsholo wayekade ethe a name, but you guys had agreed on everything, and then umsholo came up with the story ukuthi injustice was committed lana about uKhosi. Let me leave it at that. Hey, is petty nangubaba umdala. Yo, Urasa nje akamfuna umsholo la, angazi ukuthi yini inkinga yakhe honestly. Baloyi, guys, is still telling Stain which paragraphs he must read. It's still not fair, this thing. And Stain came up with another story that when they got the PDF from Pinky, lo wase uVitalingam wase the expert yase Vodacom that was testifying on the numbers. Who said to us, Agaz Lutonge number that actually called Kelly, or Kelly was calling these guys, especially who accused number 5. And then Lamberta's Stain came up with another story, the cell phone expert and among Lieutenant Colonel. This guy is a liar, guys. Like, I don't even know what to do with him. He came up with the story, Uguti Enam. When he got the PDF, and I say a giga essayenza eBay Excel number, they won't show the same time. But is there anything like that, guys? Why is Stain telling us isn't they right, guys? Busy telling us hogwash, isn't they wrong? Like, why is this person Stain? He came back again. He's busy trying to convince us now. And he has manje unenye tone also. His tone has changed. Uyathetha. I'm just like, why are you shouting? Why don't you ungakhulumi kahle and explain to us? Lento iyakho futhi ayizwakali anyways. How can you number athi no sebasiso 0 vele u27? We get that. Sometimes when you do that, especially when you're trying to fill in forms, mhlambe, and for an example, filling in forms mhlambe in the internet, you try, I touch sometimes the number ifuna ukuthi 27, and then u20 fanele ukuthi basuse but 20 lababa inside the number. Let's say the number is 07900. Those numbers ngezi zisuke dobo zero laba inside the number fanele ususe lababa ukuqala. Hey yabo nje le nto kaStain into engekho. Like, he is busy trying to explain himsangano wakhe and awukho. He tried to justify it at the conversion of the data does not mean the manipulation of data. I'm just like, bro, like, what are you even talking about? Because listen to what you see, I'm sure. How can into my go in the tower if phone number showed 10:09, but it showed 11 minutes past? Like, is there anything like that though? Hi guys. UStain, he did not change anything. This is how Vodacom gave him. And into zabo bona it's MOC. It means it's a call that's coming in, and then MTC it's a call that is going out. Lamberta Stain, guys, unamanga shem. He said that they are names of people using the phone. There are no names actually of people that are using the phone. Like, he can't tell names. Jiggy usesifuthi inamba kakhe corner. I was just like, I'm done with this guy. Like, this guy like has not changed. And these people, they always surprise us. They always come up with stories and surprises. But God, we agreed to there's nothing that's gonna change. And you know what I said to myself? I said, no, it's fine. For today. Until he had to adjourn early at like 1 o'clock, because the defense had some meeting, and it's low meeting. It's still about another expert food. Meeting. I was like, the defense will show him. Umnisinjevele wasn't taking it. already vele umuntu ezobe semkhombisa who he is. Athi Kelly was not treated as a suspect but as a person of interest. Steyn, guys, came up with another futhi story sokuthi ke inumber ka-accused number 5 it did match ama-bank records. Yena wayehamba waya kuma-bank records wayimatchisa kahle futhi leyo number in some Nedbank account yakhe u-accused number 5. Ayo guys. And then ifone kaKelly, it showed a few numbers. Kuqhamuka nenumber kaKelly kaKenny Kunene, but we don't know if it's the Kelly Kunene, Kenny Kunene. We don't know if it's that one. Lo wayene nightclub nomngane wakhe uGayton Mackenzie there in Sandton, actually, when they had that nightclub yabiza, where once they put a lady on top of an island there, bambega isushi kwathiwa leyo sushi must be eaten from the girl. So angazi noma ile uKenny Kunene na, and then ezinye number bathi uyabhala athi NA ngoba ufihle inumber uKelly on her phone. I think they did some data on her phone, they were checking it, and then khona la phone number futhi for Ruzandi. Those numbers like that come out. I just said to myself, he thinks he got us, Steyn, I'm sure. I think ubebukela nje on Thursday. It has laba bazongibona kahle mangibuye eGeorge. And at some stage, advocate Ronnie Sibanda was busy bragging about something engenzi in a sense. It's nje, no, Colonel, Lieutenant Colonel, they're going to fetch him. Mhlambe uzofika ngama-blue lights. I was like, please stop. The person is not even that big. Ukuthi angaze azafike ngama-blue lights from the airport. Lo muntu uzogibela i-Gautrain from laphana airport ehle eHatfield noma uzokwehla e-Pretoria station angimazi ahamba e-court. Hoyibo. Uzobe ehamba ngama-blue lights so that and uRatha wamtshela what there is no way the person can get here that quick. Magu utwena ene 7 minutes past 10 uthi he came from George, is at the airport now. He actually was there before 10 o'clock, but he's still not here now. I doubt he's gonna be here after 10. Was he will come also blue lights. I was like, whatever, like busy breaking. Oh mazi, advocates Ronnie Sibanda. Oh my word. And then Steyn was trying so hard, guys, to justifying it. Lento yakhe yamathawazi. Athi umnisi yeyena, can you just stop with that? Yo baba umnisi, guys, akadlalela lo baba. Awuzwa ngithi mina no, I can go on for now. Steyn, in fact, actually nakusasa ngaqhubeka ngo10, aqhubeke nomngane wakhe uBaloyi, because I just feel like also what actually made me a bit like ngangaba right at some stage, because I just felt ukuthi uRatha uyam-entertainer lo baba lo at some stage ihleka naye. I was just like, what is this for? Umnisi-ke stood up ke uyamaza kadlalela wathi ngicela ukuthi ungisize weBaloyi. Why is he not telling the court, this guy, the stuff? Why is he telling you? Well, what's going on there? Ngathi utshela wena noRatha, and uRatha busy uyabhala uRatha. Into ezingazwakali, guys. Lezi zwa ngithi uyitshela ukuthi utholile. And he has nothing. There's nothing there. In the first place, into kaSteyn ayizwakali, guys. Yeah, most of it nje awazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. And then umnisi was like, can you just stop? Ukuthi nikhulume noBawuthuni, nikhuluma ngani? We understand. Wathi uRatha ezama wathi umnisi, listen. Ngeke size sikwazi lo umuntu lo boBawuthi wabayekela ukukhuluma uBawuthi. And then he said something uRatha about umnisi not understanding. Steyn wathi umnisi ngima-understanda kahle. All I'm saying ukuthi futhi iwe my lord ngicela ukuthi ningenzele ifavor mina ngikhathele ukuthi like hothi people like putting words in my mouth. It's just like thatha mnisi. Wathi umnisi nje ngiyacelela bandla uSteyn, when he's talking, can you talk to all of us? I was like, umnisi kodwa guys, like he does not stop. I didn't expect that actually from umnisi. Vele nje yakamwa from nowhere, but then again I realized ukuthi unjalo. So ngibangele kangawo. uBaloyi did apologize, but masuthi uyibuka akapologize futhi kumnisi, uapologize kubaba Khorathi. He was like, okay my lord, I'm sorry. We understand. But see, what was that? Hey. Then at some stage, He comes up with another story. About that guy. He can manipulate people and play you people, that old man. About Ulambetas stain. Hello, Mutulo. At some stage, what he know, there's some page, Elgazi, Kulum Jangal, and the Skulumangailo. What I know, it's that lady that was printing his things, his story. Was it to Urasakishan paper, footing the little show to cancelled. I was like, oh, what is this all about? This guy, what is he even trying? And you shouldn't like these people. You can't tell me about these people. Yabona knows Baloyi. Nomelelo ngamvusi uthi ubalo umuntu onjani uzokutshela athi loyo yena necrew yakhe and his entourage, they like changing stuff and surprise us in court. Ubesebona uMgomezi uthi la sizo surprise washem silindile. And Uratha so many mistakes with stain ambiguity nje ya stain engasalingasoka izinto zisastain ayihlangani guys, like they everywhere. I was just like, what is this guy even doing here? But he never said a word, Uratha, to him. I was like, wow. Or you could be friends. Like, I'm not sure what's going on here. What is this meeting here all about, honestly? So Baloyi was like, as in, that's just a gen, because defense is just about to meet. And it's meeting about 1 o'clock. And then immediately after that, he was saying, how bakhona yena abantu abafuna ukusho something mhlambe? Do you have any objections or something like that? And then you were straight to Mshololo, do you have? I was just like, baba nangwe seqalile ngomshololo uvule ngayo ufuna uvala ngayo. If Mshololo was really not fine, you should have seen her face. Actually, I have her face. You're gonna see it. He wasn't smiling at all when it started, because it wasn't even 10 minutes like kuqala kukhulunywa njobe engakafika ustain kusathi umelwe from airport. Useqalile lo baba lo ubusy no Mshololo was just looking at him like whatever, like ukubona lawo nto le wayithulela futhi uMshololo bheka phansi namanje uvela athi no my lord, I have nothing. Yazini basazomngenela lo baba, and I can see ukuthi before Friday bazombonisa who they are, their defense futhi imlindile uyayibona. They come into court and they were early. That's what's crazy. He was late from the airport. Angazi why engafikanga from izolo. Kuba wazi kahle ukuthi he was supposed to come today. No, the next thing uzofika ekuseni with the flight this morning, like for what and for who? I was just like, Australia. But at the end of the day, I'm waiting for the defense. Angazi Baloyi uzamani lezo zinto zakhe engasebenzi. Ngoba ineni case kuBaloyi ke ukade zama ngithi usalinde noma ngena ezobe masithi thina mangena athi no, it's actually this is how you say it mangena. I'm like whatever. Bafana labantu yabona uma ngena uhosi bese kuzoba ulambetha stain into eyodwa. For me, there's nothing there. That's just my thing. They create things, those people bayifakele bayixhumele bazenzele all sorts of things. Nangu ubrothers kade seqalile eqamba manga about the stuff that they got from Pink. Oh, you guys. And Uratha never said a word. He was like, oh, okay, so kungashintsha kade ku 9:10, then it will be like it will be 11 minutes. But guys, there's nothing like that though. I was just like, who do they think we are? Those people, who do they think defense is? And the foot actually today, can the court stop putting words in my mouth? And they misunderstand him all the time. He's misunderstood, this guy. Jalo may try explaining to Mnisi, as I'm jealous, no, my lord, that's not what I said. I'm sure today, but what I like is that today he was busy paging page account 120,000. And ala sakamzimi yakhe kade seqalile umsholo. He needs to stop, Uratha. Seriously, yakhomana na Friday and shit. Ngathi he needs to stop these zinto zakhe, Uratha. Kodwa guys, kuphelele lapho, it was such a short. Yeah, it was very short actually today at court, guys. So qhubeka kusasa. I appreciate you guys so much, guys, and the love that you've shown me is just ingaphezu kwami, iyangidlula nami. Ngiyanithanda over, guys. Thank you.